As a Christian philosopher, I find it very sobering that the only place that philosophy is mentioned in the New Testament is in the context of a warning by the Apostle Paul. When he tells the Colossians, see to it that no one makes a prey of you by vain philosophy based upon human understanding rather than upon Christ. And I take that warning very seriously. What Paul is warning against there is a philosophy which is not predicated upon Christian principles, but upon secular, atheistic principles. I think that Paul may well be thinking in that warning of the philosophers that he ran into in Athens when he went through that city and on Mars Hill found himself face to face with ancient, of course, they were all ancient then, Paul was too, but he found himself face to face with Epicurean and Stoic philosophers. And in the message that Paul gives on Mars Hill, he attacks that worldview head on and presents a very different view of God and the world than what these Epicurean and Stoic philosophers would have accepted. And so I think it is very important that in doing our philosophy and theology that we be careful not to be made a prey of, not to be captured by secular presuppositions, unexamined assumptions that could lead us astray. We need, as Paul says, to take every thought captive to obey Christ. And that's why I'm committed to doing my philosophy from an explicitly Christian point of view.